What's up, guys? Gonna do an install video today of the Quadratec headlights. This video kind of comes courtesy of my buddy Jonathan, who has a awesome Rubicon but has unfortunately decided to trade it in on something else. So I'm gonna try to do these today and then save the fog lamps for another day. So they come with the harness, the anti-flicker harness, and then the plug into the factory mount. What you need to do this install is a Torx bit T15 and either a panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. So we're going to take a look in today. So you got to take off these bolts here, and I say bolts, they're not bolts, they're little plastic pieces, and that's where the just do is pop this little piece up. There's indentions here and here. Pop it up, and it takes this piece out, and then this piece under, and the whole thing should pop right out. And do the same thing here.
So now that we got those out, we have to unplug these and then unplug the factory fog lamp here. So this should just take a little pull here. There should be 6 clips.
Last one was a little booger, I guess. So then you have your factory wiring harness, and you just pop that piece out and unplug it. That's it. And your classic 7-slot grill is out. So we'll lay that over here to the side. Now is where our T15 comes in handy.
These 4 bolts.
So with that last screw out, the retaining ring comes off, and that allows your headlight to come out. You have another harness here where you slide the red piece back, and then you should be able to press there. Comes right out. That's your old ugly stock one. So here's the new Quadratec LED, and it should be plug and play. So to plug it in, reclose the little red clip, you'll need to feed the anti-flicker harness in a little bit. Keep them lined up, and then you'll want to reinsert your retainer ring, and then reinsert your 4 bolts or screws. Okay, so first headlight's in, so let's turn them on, and it's still daylight, so we're probably not going to be able to really see anything, but we'll turn them on and see if we can tell any difference. As you might expect in broad daylight, you can't tell a difference, but if you look here at the yellow and then you look here at the white, I think there's going to be a difference. And not to blind anyone, but here's a head-on view of it. the here my neighborhood train. Same thing, just push the red tab back and then unclip it. Okay, and so both of them are in. Time to put the grill back on. Maybe one day soon we'll do a cleaning of everything in here and get it looking good. It's kind of dirty, so we want to plug these in, push in the red tab. Okay, then we want to line up these tabs here, and there's another one here, both sides. So line these up and snap them back in. So we probably want to do these first. That snaps in, in, in. All right, and then these little pieces go back in and then down. So overall, this is probably the easiest thing that I've done to my Jeep. Everything, even putting the polyfill in the sound bar, took more time than this did. This is a really quick and easy install. Once again, I gotta thank Jonathan. I'm sad you're trading in your Jeep, but I do appreciate the headlights. So, and then we should have one more of these pieces here. So probably not tonight, because the headlights or the fog lights here, you've got to either take off the air dam, this piece, and then the bottom piece, some combination of that, and I'm not exactly sure which way to do that. So it's 7:30. I don't want it to get dark on me. So thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and I'll try to get another video out pretty soon.